When I was a child,
Here you go.
my mother told me that humans are capable of the best and the worst.
I am not done talking!
She was wrong. Some are only capable of the worst. The natives have a legend about those people. A legend as old as the mountains of this region. They say that in time of famine, an evil spirit comes out of the woods to possess those who had cannibalized the flesh of their peers. It appears first in the dreams. But it's already too late for them. They're damned, condemned to become like it. A wandering soul seeking human flesh, always insatiable, never satisfied.